Are you looking to upgrade your desktop or laptop's memory for better performance and smoother operation? Look no further. We have a wide range of high-quality DDR3 and DDR4 RAM modules to suit your needs. Whether you're a gamer, a student, a professional, or just looking to improve your everyday computing experience, our RAM modules will help you achieve the performance you desire. With our DDR3 8GB and 16GB memory kits, you can experience a dramatic improvement in your desktop's performance. The 1866 MHz, 1600 MHz, and 1333 MHz memory frequencies offer superior computing power, making your everyday tasks, gaming, and video production a breeze.For the ultimate gaming experience. Our DDR4 RAM modules with high memory frequencies of 3200 MHz and 3600 MHz are the perfect choice. The RGB lighting feature not only enhances the aesthetics of your desktop, but also provides you with advanced memory optimization for an exceptional gaming experience.Our DDR2, DDR3L, and DDR4 laptop RAM modules are designed to offer high compatibility and stability for your laptop. Whether you need to run multimedia applications, office tasks, or video production, our laptop RAM will greatly improve your user experience. At TECMIYO, Kllisre, and JUHOR, we pride ourselves on offering high-quality memory modules with rigorous testing to ensure exceptional performance and stability. With our lifetime warranty and technical support, you can have peace of mind knowing that you've made a reliable investment. Whether you're a desktop or laptop user, our memory modules are the perfect solution to enhance your computing experience. Don't let slow performance hold you back. Upgrade your memory today and experience a whole new level of performance. Purchase your DDR3, DDR3L, or DDR4 RAM module now and take your computing experience to new heights. Don't wait, upgrade your RAM and maximize your system's performance today.